Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Good.
Engine 6. We're gonna add one. Yeah. Morning from Florida. In the middle of a cold snap. It's 36 degrees out. We are heading to New Jersey today. It is New Year's Day. Spent New Year's in DeLand. We landed in DeLand at like 10 last night, and all the fireworks were fireworking. It was awesome.
Huge thanks to Frankie and Katie for taking in the homeless couple on New Year's Eve.
Classic.
I appreciate you guys.
There's not a single airplane out here. And we're gonna get fuel and we're gonna start up the road.
Not a single cloud in the sky either.
No,
It's gonna be a
Florida.
beautiful flight home.
There's not a single cloud the whole way home.
Nice.
Incredible. So lucky with this weather.
Oat is 51.
DeLand Municipal Airport. Automatic weather observation. 145 Zulu. Weather. Wind 280 at 5. Visibility 10. Clear. Below 12,000. Temperature 11 Celsius. Dew point -1. Altimeter 3018.
Belts, harnesses on. Doors, windows closed. Flight controls. Back to 1,000. DeLand traffic, Cessna 809 Lima, departing runway 30 to the north. Alright, 60, 70. Starting to go. Nice and easy.
Good job.
Runway 23.
I'm gonna start turning right just because there's birds.
Yep, I'm aligned.
DeLand traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, right crosswind, departing to the north. Runway 30.
It's go home day for us.
Yeah.
We're kind of bummed about it. We went from New Jersey to California, and California to Florida. Florida, we went down to the Keys. That was the last video if you haven't seen that. And now we're leaving the land, and we're going home. And I'm excited for my pillow. But I loved our journey. It was really a cool time.
Yeah.
For those who don't know us, my name is Carlee. This is Jessie.
What up?
I'm a pilot, flight instructor, retired engineer, and the fiance to this cute boy. Jesse's our favorite student pilot on the World Wide Web. And if you watched all the videos in this cross-country extravaganza, he has come so far. All the things we've been doing in the last 3 years finally just all clicked and tied together, and he is flying this plane so incredibly well, which was kind of the whole point of this journey. So.
Fun fact, she's an incredible instructor, but I haven't had a formal lesson with her because I just don't have time.
We've never done touch and goes. He's done one steep turn. Like it's
yeah, I flew S turns over a straight line once. Going down over LBI actually, or I'm sorry, Island Beach State Park. And yeah, so it's cool just kind of learning by osmosis, and like I can operate machinery super well. But this is a whole different animal, wings. So being able to just pick up on things by sight, by feel, by doing, by watching, it's been really, really cool.
He's doing everything.
And I'm very much not self-taught, but it's been like a very cool experience to just learn by doing.
Sit in it, go fly across the country.
Yeah, and it's just, again, not having time to sit down and study or do anything, but having the afforded the opportunity to be able to fly.
Sit in the plane and look around.
Pretty frequently.
Yeah.
Actually, not very frequently before this. Like every once in a while we pop in and I'd have to like re-remember everything, but
I fly a lot more for fun than he does.
Yeah.
He has no free time.
Yeah. But this little over 2 and a half week adventure around the country has been absolutely incredible.
In the heart of winter, no less.
I think we're at what, 33, 43, 53?
I can tell you what the starting time. Hobbs
We got to be
was.
close to 60 hours since we left.
8:62, and we're at 9:25. Hang on. we're
62?
we're 62.7 hours into this adventure.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's hilarious.
That's awesome. 62 hours of flying.
It took 33 hours to get to California. It took 20-ish to get to Jacksonville. And it took 4 to get to the Keys, 4 back. And now we're headed to New Jersey. Like, we're not even done. This is hilarious. What a quest. Well, anyway, we hope you enjoy
That's
these
solid.
videos.
It's cool that my first logbook entry is going to be 67 hours or 70 hours of
Hawk out 386, contact
cross United States flight.
Yeah, Jesse's not going to be a 40-hour private pilot, as it turns out.
No.
Florida, Georgia line. New state, new state, new state.
New state.
All right, we're in Georgia.
Georgia. We get to turn right soon.
The island in front of us is Hilton Head.
That's a pretzel. We're at 80 knots. We're about to turn right.
And zoom.
See what we got.
For reference,
81.
at this speed, we
82.
are 8 hours from home.
85.
Uh-oh, getting pretty fast. 7:45 from home.
Is this on?
But, no.
That'd be a cool angle. Conway traffic, Cessna 918 line, 10 miles to the south. Entering a left downwind runway 22. Conway.
Erie County Airport. Automated weather observation 1859er. Zulu weather wind 270 at 6 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 14 Celsius dew point -1 altimeter 29er 0.
Conway traffic, Cessna 918 line, 3 miles out. Entering a left downwind runway 22. Conway. The wind is at what?
From
260.
Yeah, that's why we have a
So that's going to be coming from
slightly right
this way.
when we're
So-
landing. Yep.
So I want to keep my right down and left rudder.
Yep.
Conway traffic, Cessna 918 in the left downwind runway 22. Conway. Number
Yeah, a beam.
10.
Yep. Flaps down, nose down, trim down. Don't rush down because you're already a couple hundred feet low.
Yep.
But do establish that decent. I'd go 20% flaps and then bring your nose down, look out front, see how it's too high.
Yep.
Bring it down. That's what's messing with your speed.
Okay.
Yep. Sneak some power out.
Conway traffic, Cessna 918 left base 22.
Alright. Good. I agree.
More
Put
flaps?
more flaps and then as much power as you feel like you need. Do you feel like you need more or less?
Less.
Yeah. Good. Are you at idle?
Yep.
Good. Good. Just fold it off. Yeah. Yeah.
She said she sees shit for a second.
Okay, flying braille.
Conway traffic, Cessna 918 off runway 22. Conway.
4-hour flight, honey.
Allen Aviation, AG Support and Aircraft Services. Carolina.
Carolina, what? I know.
Mashed potato.
But right now it's saying 4 hours, 10 minutes to home. That would be really nice.
Everything is good. We didn't lose anything, forget anything.
Yep. Would take 30 hours at this ground speed.
Driving home. Just taking our Cessna up the highway.
Conway, Horry County Airport. Automated weather observation. 19er 46 Zulu. Weather. Wind 260 at 5. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Altimeter 29er 1.
Trim set. Flaps are up. Suction no. Carb heat on. 100 drop. Pull the idle. Plane idles. Carb heat off. Plane back to 1,000. I like that this line turns into the hold line.
Yeah, that's
as it comes.
helpful.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do a left downwind departure. Climb to 5,000.
Conway traffic, Cessna 809 Lima, departing runway 22, left downwind, departure, Conway. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Green, everything's good. Wants to go.
Yeah, rotate. Good.
Thank you, brother. Have a happy New Year. Yeah, you too. Have a safe flight. Everything's green.
Zero 46 is your heading.
Cessna 9 Lima departing left downwind departure to the north. Have a good day. Conway.
Alright, well it's almost nighttime again. Right now, our fuel burn plus reserve gets us to Monmouth, so we're gonna see if we can do that. That's at 3.5?
3 hours and 33 minutes.
Right now we have an hour reserve, so that's phenomenal. As much reserve as we can have is great. We are about to cross into Virginia, and from Virginia it's like 2 hours, so we're kind of cruising.
270 nautical miles until we get back to Monmouth.
Pretty good. We have been all over hell and back. My dad texted me that we flew like 5,000 miles so far. We're 70 hours and counting into this thing.
70 hours of flying in the last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Watch the sunset tucked behind the horizon. That was cool.
Beautiful sunset.
Can't see it.
No. It's over there.
Over
We
there.
took a pic for you.
Headed to Monmouth. 55 nautical miles. 4 flights said it was going to take 36 minutes to get there. I said we can get there before 8 o'clock, 10 minutes ago. It still says 34 minutes for some reason.
Vibes.
But we're getting closer, so there's a crazy crosswind. We're just getting shoved to the east here. We will be home shortly. So thank you for your time watching our adventures. This is actually really cool to watch Carlee build this brand and channel. And every one of you, if she doesn't say it enough, I appreciate your support for her, for what she's doing, for General Aviation. Really cool. As somebody new to this world, it's really incredible. So thank all of you for being a part of General Aviation.
All
it's
of
just
them.
super, super cool.
They're all my buddies.
Yeah.
We all fly together. That's what we do. That's
Can't wait to
incredible.
have a beer.
Oh my god, cheers, honey. 100 knots. Watch out, folks. We're coming.
Monmouth Executive Airport. Automated weather observation. 0037 Zulu. Wind 250 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Altimeter 29991.
But follow the parkway. That'll put you on a base. Jesse also just found out how small New Jersey was. Are you
Oh,
showing?
I see there. I think I see the picture now.
There you go. I was describing to him where we were, and he's like, already? We're already here? And he's like, the state is so small.
Yeah, when we left, I didn't really think that, but flying over
The entire everywhere?
the entire rest of the country. Yeah, New Jersey is a very, very tiny state.
Yeah. Yeah, and then we were looking around. Right now we can see New York City, Philly, Atlantic City. We can see both sides of New Jersey because, you know, it's 80 miles across.
Like all these places that I used to work and go, like I'm looking at them now and I'm like, I feel like I can throw a dart at them from where we're currently sitting.
Yeah. McGuire 91 Lima has the airport in sight.
91 Lima. Radar source terminated. Squawk VFR frequency in Peru. Have a good night.
VFR frequency change approved. Happy New Year, 91 Lima.
Monmouth traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, extended left base, runway 32, Monmouth traffic.
All right. How's it look? How's it feel?
A little high,
And
but fast,
how do we fix that?
slowing down, nose
And?
up.
And flaps.
Monmouth traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, final, runway 32, Monmouth traffic.
Looks good, feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah, runway made.
Looking at the end,
Right
pull
there.
it back.
Add more back
Pull it
pressure.
back.
Yeah! What a one to end it on. On the center line, the whole thing.
Monmouth traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, back taxiing, runway 32, briefly, Monmouth traffic. The oat is 16. The final oat of the trip
Cold.
is 16. Monmouth traffic, Cessna 8091 Lima, off all runways, and back from California. Hello.
We made it. $71.11 hours.
Full recap. December 16th,
Left Monmouth, went to Athens the first night.
Athens the first night. We stopped
then-
in North Carolina.
And then the following day we left Athens and went to Texas.
We flew to Abilene, Texas.
Yeah.
Went to Perini's Ranch.
Yeah. And then we woke up from Abilene, Texas and made it to SLO that day.
Hung out for Christmas. with their parents.
And then started east. The first day we went to Phoenix, stayed with friends.
Phoenix, stayed in Mesa.
And then left Mesa, made it to San Angelo.
Got hit with a crazy windstorm.
Big squall.
Huge squalls coming through. Stayed there. It snowed the next day.
Which was crazy.
We took off.
We got out of there, and then we rode that cold front across the entire country. And then we made it from San Angelo to Jack's Beach.
To Jacksonville.
Yeah.
Craig.
Hung out in Craig for a couple days.
With 2 friends.
Then where'd we go, Jesse?
Then we flew down to Key West. Saw some friends.
New Year's Day.
On New Year's Eve.
Because today is New Year's Day.
We hung out there, grabbed some food, bopped around, shot back up. Yeah, we weren't sure what we were going to do with weather and things, so we ended up going to DeLand and stayed. We got there late, like 10:30.
Like 2 hours before the New Year, and there was so many fireworks, and it was beautiful. Yeah. And then we woke up today, New Year's Day.
Flew from DeLand, Florida, to here.
Monmouth, New Jersey.
To Monmouth. Yeah, Florida to New Jersey today. And what did we fly in, Carly?
Our 1967 172H, little 91 Lima. And she killed it.
Yeah.
Plane is epic. Life is good. We're going to go eat some pierogies.
Hell
Happy
yeah.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm in snow. Oh, poor plane's back in the cold.